When you first get in on the app, it appears a cover screen with an image, and after a few seconds it takes you to this screen. Now in here it says that you have to enter a password. Now if you think the password is hello, the word won't appear, and if you put enter, the phone vibrates, and by notification it tells you that the password is wrong. Now if you know that the right password is ch10, like challenge 10, and you put enter, it takes you to this menu. There are two options: to track expenses and to write notes. Now we're going to track expenses, and you can write them, see them, or delete them. Now we're going to write some, and for example, if you bought bread, it costs you like $3, and you save it, and the phone vibrates, and the text box will clear. Now if you bought like a TV and it costs you $700, you save it and the phone vibrates. Now another expense, like if you bought a pencil case and it costs you like $20, you save it. Or if you paid for some school and it costs you like $100, now you save it. Now we can go back to the menu, and if you want to see them, we put on show expenses, and they will appear. In the upper part of the screen, there's a label that says October 19, 2019, and that's because the application like graphed the day that you are in, and it tells you. Now we can see that we are on October 19, 2019. Now it says that you bought $3 of bread, $700 blah blah blah, and in total you paid $1,523. Now if you put like your income, it could be like, I don't know, $2,000, and you put compute.
$477.
The phone vibrates, and it tells you that your available money is $477. Now what happens if you put a lower number? For example, if your income is of $1,000, now you compute it.
Minus $523.
It tells you what is your money available, but if it's negative, the number will appear in red, so you can be like on alert. It's like an alert. Now we can go back to the menu, and if you want to delete your expenses, you click it, and it says a notification that your expenses have been erased. Now if you want to see them, you put on show expenses, and it says that there aren't any notes to show, because you didn't expand anything. Now we'll go back to the menu, and there's the other option that is notes. There are three other options: to add one, to view them, or to delete them. Now if you want to add a note, there's a title, for example, note 1, and the note 1 is, I want to go to sleep. Now you save it, and the text box will erase. Now a note 2, for example, I am hungry, and you save it. Or note 3, that you want to buy milk, and you save it. Now we can go back to the menu, and if you want to see your notes, you can put up view notes, and here they are. It says that your notes are note 1, I want to go to sleep, note 2, I'm hungry, and note 3, buy milk. Now you can turn all of your notes to capital letters if you click on the checkbox. Now it changes, and if you want them to lower letters, now you click it again and it changes like that. Now you can go back, and if you want to delete your notes, you just Click it, and it says that your notes have been erased. Now you can prove it, view notes, and it says that there aren't any notes to show. And that's everything for the functioning part. Now this is the creation of the app in App Inventor. Now this is screen number 1 with an image, a clock, and these are the blocks. Now in the designing part, screen number 2, this is the password, text box, a notifier, a player to the vibration, and the button, and these are the clocks to indicate the password. Now for screen number 3, here it is the menu. There are 2 images, 2 buttons, and the options of the buttons. Now to screen number 4, here are like the options of the expenses, several buttons and images, and what they do. Oh, and the notice of the notifier, and a tiny database. Now for screen number 5, here is like the ad expense. This is the text box for the article, and this is for its price. Now a notifier, a tiny DB, a player, and these are the blocks. I had to create a variable and all of these for the vibration and all of that. Now on screen number 6, it's like where it appears all of your expenses. Now these are different labels. This is a label, and these are the blocks. I had to create 3 variables, and this is what they do. Now for the label that says the date, it calls the clock to now, and it tells you the date in this format. Now the other thing is to get like every value with different variables, and this is at the end for the rest that it shows your budget, and this is how it changes of color depending on if it's lower than 0. Now that's screen 6. Now on screen 7, this is for the notes. This is like the things you can do, add notes, view notes, and stuff. For the blocks part, these are all of the things that does, the notifier and the tiny DB. Now for screen number 8, is this one is to add the note. This is for the title. This is for the text. There are different hands, buttons, and these are the blocks. Now I had to create variables and all of that. And if any of them is empty, it shows the notification in here to fill the empty spaces. And this is to save everything on the TinyDB. Now, last for screen number 9, this is to show notes. There's a checkbox label, and these are all of the things. If the checkbox changes, it changes everything to uppercase or to downcase. Now I had to create a variable. Well, we already had it, the same one, and I used all of these blocks. Okay, now that was the functioning part, and the creative things are like all of the things I put to make it look beautiful. Yes, it is beautiful to me. Like for example, the background images or the color of the labels and all of that stuff. Now for the innovation things I put, first one is the text color, that this one that it changes depending on if it's positive or negative. Another innovation is the date in here, that it calls the date of the form. Another innovation is the text-to-speech, that it tells you how much is your budget, and this is the text-to-speech, and it tells you dollars besides of the number. Another innovation is the vibration. In all of the screens I put, there were like several vibration. Another innovation I put is the password. Yes, that's an innovation. And the last innovation I put was the checkbox to change everything to capital letters or to lower letters. Now I put 6 innovations. I hope that's enough. And that's everything. Bye.